Good morning, dear students. This is the SST book of class 8, and today I am going to start the first chapter of history, which is how, when, and where. So, it means that in this chapter we are going to study about the past, that how the things had been happened in the past, and when the things happened in the past, and where the events had happened in the past. So let's start the chapter. Change is the only constant factor in the universe. Nothing is static in this world. As you all know that कि इस यूनिवर्स में चेंजेस होते रहते हैं बिकॉज नथिंग इज स्टैटिक, नथिंग इज स्टेबल इन दिस वर्ल्ड. कोई भी चीज़ इस वर्ल्ड में स्टेबल नहीं है. एवरीथिंग is unstable. Some changes occurs day by day, some changes occurs period by period. So suppose that you see whatever the movies or whatever the video qualities had been in the past, and nowadays it has been improved a lot. Now there is always a continuous change in social, economic and cultural life of the people living in different parts of the world. जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि हमेशा एक कंटिन्यूअस चेंज होता रहता है इन द इकोनॉमिकल लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल, इन द कल्चरल लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल and also in the social life of the people. As we embark upon a journey from times immemorial, we will notice that several of our present practices and beliefs have undergone a change from those of the ancient and medieval times. You may even ask yourself when and how. And if we memorize our journey from time to time, if we'll remember our journey, so what we found, हमको क्या मिलेगा, that we also have undergone a change, and our life had also undergone a change. Our life has also changed from the childhood to the adult. Whatever journey you have got, you will memorize it, then you'll find that from the childhood till now many things have been changed. History helps to answer such questions as it records the developments which brought about these changes. History is a subject which helps us to know about the past, and it also records the development or the changes which had been brought in this modern world. History is certainly about changes that occur over a period of time. It is about finding out how things were in the past and how things have changed. And it also helps to know about the things which were happening in the past and the things which are happening at the प्रेजेंट. जो भी मतलब हमारे पास्ट में हुआ है उसको जानने में भी हेल्प मिलती है, और जो भी प्रेजेंट में चल रहा है इट ऑल्सो टेल्स अबाउट द प्रेजेंट. नाउ हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ dates. We take things for granted as if what we see has always been in the world we inhabit, but most of us have our moments of wonder when we ask questions that are related to history. हम बहुत सी चीज़ें दुनिया में देखते हैं हमारे साथ, जो हमारा हैबिचुअल वो है, मतलब हम जहाँ रहते हैं हमारे जो हैबिटेशंस हैं, हम बहुत सी चीज़ें देखते हैं, बहुत से चेंजेस देखते हैं, लेकिन हम में से ज़्यादातर लोगों को वो मोमेंट्स या याद आते हैं जब हम हिस्ट्री की बात करते हैं, तो हमको कुछ हमारे लाइफ के स्पेशल मोमेंट्स याद आते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, watching someone drinking coffee. Whenever you'll watch that someone is drinking coffee, then we imagine what, that when the people begin drinking coffee, कब लोगों ने कॉफ़ी पीना शुरू किया, या और कुछ हम लोग देखते हैं. all such question pertaining to the history take us to realm of time, and these questions are or our imagination takes us to the realm of that time, but it will actually incorrect to fix any precise dates to process that happened over a period of time. People in India did not begin drinking coffee suddenly one fine morning. फिर हमको ये एक्चुअल जो रियलिटी होती है वी शुड नो दैट ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता दैट इंडियंस हैव स्टार्टेड ड्रिंकिंग कॉफ़ी on a fine morning. Suddenly they have started drinking coffee. We should know that it had have been a history, it had have been a reason. कुछ ना कुछ रीज़न रहा होगा, कुछ ना कुछ फैक्ट्स रहे होंगे एंड कुछ ना कुछ एक प्रोसेस रहा होगा by which Indians have started drinking coffee. Now they must have developed a taste for it over a period of time. There cannot be certain or particular date for a process such as this. Being a continuous flow of the events, history cannot be divided into compact compartments. And कोई particular date या process नहीं रहा होगा. Suppose that कॉफ़ी पीने के लिए कोई particular date decide नहीं की गई होगी. Whenever they had developed it, they had developed a taste. उन्होंने कॉफ़ी पीना स्टार्ट कर दिया होगा और इसी वजह से कुछ एक कंटिन्यूस फ्लो ऑफ द इवेंट्स होने की वजह से हिस्ट्री को कॉम्पैक्ट कंपार्टमेंट्स में डिवाइड नहीं किया गया. डेट्स की डिफिनीशन क्या होती है? डेट ऑफ इवेंट एक्ट समवट लाइक माइलस्टोन एज दे इंडिकेट एन इवेंट position in relation to other events in history. As we all know that dates act as a milestone, means whatever it is we remember it for a long time, or as it relate to us, it relate to the some special moment of our life. This help us to understand some the trends of developments within a time frame. Some dates and events act as a landmark because of their long-term impact. It also helps to understand that whatever trends is going on in the modern world and what how the world had developed and what things have been developed in this modern world, and it also gives an impact on the time frame of the present time. And dates also act as a landmark as it some dates or events last for a long, मतलब कुछ dates और event बहुत दिनों तक याद रहते हैं because it is so special. For example, the year 1857 is a landmark in Indian history. As we all know that in year 1857 everyone knows that what had happened in year 1857, and for that reason it has been memorized that in 1857 uh, the first war of Indian independence, it means that the struggle of 1857 had begun, and also the East India Company of Britishers, what they have established in Kolkata. The East India Company had came to an end, and the British government had taken the direct control of Indian administration. It means that हम कंक्लूड अगर करना चाहेंगे तो डेट्स या डेट्स जो होते हैं वो एक किसी भी व्यक्ति की लाइफ में, किसी भी पर्सन की लाइफ में इट एक्ट एज अ लैंडमार्क एंड इट लास्ट फॉर अ लॉन्ग, मतलब किसी भी व्यक्ति के दिमाग में वो बहुत दिनों तक रहते हैं. एंड जो लैंडमार्क्स होते हैं वो स्पेशल मोमेंट्स होते हैं. कभी कभी ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि हम किसी का बर्थडे याद करते हैं, कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि वी रिमेंबर द डेथ डे ऑफ एनी पर्सन. सपोज दैट कुछ जो इम्पोर्टेंट डेट्स होती हैं, जो इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट्स होते हैं, उनको कभी कभी मतलब वो हम मिस नहीं कर सकते. वी कांट मिस दोज डेट्स और इवेंट. एंड जो इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द डेट्स इन आवर लाइफ है, इट इज़ वेरी क्लियर दैट dates are very important in our life, and we should also be very aware about that remembering the dates or remembering the special dates act as a landmark, or we can say that dates can indicate some event position or some milestone. They can tell us some about our milestone. And now I want to say that now we will discuss the periodization in history in the next class of this chapter. So till then, uh, goodbye and take care. We'll meet in the next topic of this chapter, which is periodization in history. So goodbye.